Hello, this is Simon Lewis, and this is my database experiment number 5 subquery and correlated subquery. So, the first question is retrieve the name of the customer who booked the car. We have the SQL here. So, the SQL command is select car ID, customer ID from table name car booking, where customer ID in open bracket select customer ID from customer details. So this will retrieve the name of the customer who have booked the car from the table name car booking, and it will select the customer ID from customer details. So display the details of car booking issued between 1st Jan 14 to 1st December 14. We have the SQL command as select star from car details, where car ID in open bracket select car ID from car booking, where car booking date between 1st Jan 2014 and 1st December 2014. So this condition select car ID from car booking, where booking date between 1st Jan 2014 and 1st December 2014 will display the details of the car that has been issued between this date. The next question is display the name of the people who booked luxury car. We have the SQL command as select first name and last name as name from the table name customer details series, where customer ID in, and the condition given as select customer ID from car booking, where car ID equal to 101 or car ID equal to 105. So this is the car ID of the luxury car, and this condition will display the name of the people who booked the luxury car. The next question is display the brand of the booked more than one car. So for this we have the SQL command select car brand from the table name car details, where one lets and select count. This select count will display the car that has been booked the most number of times, the brand of the car which has been booked most number of times. The next question is display the customer name whose booking type is private and booked for Xylo. So here we have to display the name of the customer whose booking type is private and has booked the car Xylo. So we have the SQL command as select login name from the table name customer details, where customer ID equal to open brackets, and we have the condition in as select customer ID from the table car booking, where the car ID equal to, and we have one more condition as select car details, select car ID from car details, where we have given the car brand as Xylo and customer type as private. So this will display the name of the customer's booking type is private and who has booked the car as Xylo. Next question is name the customer who has used all the car, and here we have to use the condition exist. So we select we have the SQL command as select distinct first name from table name customer details, where not exist select, and in bracket we have select car ID from car details minus select car ID from car booking, where car booking dot customer ID dot equal to c dot customer ID. So this will give us the name of the customer who has used all the cars. Next question is name the car which is used by all the customer. So here we display the name of the car which is being used by all the customers. So we have select distinct, the keyword used here is distinct, car brand from car details, where not exist, and we have the condition as select customer ID from customer details minus select customer ID from customer details, where car booking dot car ID equal to c dot customer ID. So this will give the name of the car which has been used by all the customer. And the next question we have as name the brand of the car which is used by the customer more than once. For this we have the query as select car brand from from table name car underscore details, where one less than we have the count of condition from car booking, where car ID equal to t dot car underscore ID. So this will display the brand of the car which has been used by the customer more than once. Thanks for watching.